Okay, I think that's actually an airplane going over. Haven't heard any of that in a long time. Anyway, of course it happens when I'm doing a video. Anyway, wanted to show you a quick video on well, it's not a very glamorous plant, but here in our garden we use it to help with the ferns as a ground cover for the toads, and it's a native, so we're trying to use as many natives as possible and bring back the woodlands on what we think they look like. Anyway, this is alum root. See this guy here? See these flowers all coming up. It's kind of a native coral bell, but as you can see, it has just little green flowers. I don't think it's gonna focus, and it's windy. Hold on. There we go. And this basically looks like coral bell leaves. Again, we grow it because it's nice and it mixes in with all the native ferns and other foliage and other plants we have here. Good along the path. You can see this is along the edge of a path. And the little bees and wasps do like it. This is alum root. You can see here it's growing in a rock wall. Puts its little flowers up. Going here. What's nice about this native is it grows in pretty much heavy shades of filtered sun, and we're gonna get lots more. Look what happens. It goes to seed in this path. Look at them all. I just pick these up and move them elsewhere. So again, not the most showy of plants, but as you can see, rabbits ate that. It is a native, and in our yard it does serve a purpose in the woodland garden.
We got it all, we got a lot, we got to fight to keep what we really want. Don't you forget, no, no, what your father told you, that there's a lot that is far beyond you. saving a piece at a time, one step in the right direction, protecting that far and wide, a piece of our wild side.